JOBY stock analysis and price predictions for next week. Now, for me, this is super interesting. Easy to buy is the question, which I'll be explaining in this very short and brief 1-minute video. Key here is going to be that beforehand, you know, I was milking it up here and whatnot, and I'm just still looking to double down. Because it was very gappy and all over the place, I hold off, you know, I held off to this movement and never took no trades. The double break that I was sort of expecting is still the same thing that I'm looking to buy. You know what I mean? Simply put, man, if it doesn't get pulled down and doesn't give me a shift, then there's just no way that I will look for a buy. And yeah, that's where we currently are. And so therefore, what I'm doing is, well, in the meantime, I'm just waiting for rules. You know, that's how Joby is looking like. I do have a bunch of receipts, don't get me wrong. I do have like around 13 receipts here in the Discord and whatnot. But without a proper double break, there's just no way that I'll look to buy. Simply put. So we'll keep you updated. This is not financial advice. And if you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.